Hi everyone, welcome to Kitchen More. If you're looking to learn how to set up a table of specifications or ToS, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I create and format my ToS step by step. We'll focus on the setup process, organizing the table, labeling the columns, and making it easy to use. Whether you're new to this or just want a simple guide, I'll make it as straightforward as possible. So let's get started and set up your ToS together. Step 1. First, write down all the topics, competencies, or lessons discussed for the whole quarter. Step 2. Indicate the number of hours that the topics or competencies or lessons were conducted. Then for the step 3, compute the percent of hours using this formula. Percent of hours equals a number of hours per topic divided by total number of hours of all the topics. Then repeat the same for all the lessons, then add the total of percent of hours. Step 4. Compute the distribution of the number of items according to difficulty, whether easy, moderate, or difficult. Decide how many items you will have for your test. In this case, the number of items is 60. So, to know how many items to indicate under each level of difficulty, follow this formula. Level of difficulty, or easy, which is 60%, equals a number of items times percentage of level easy. Then repeat the same for all the rest of the levels of difficulty, then add all the number of items for each level of difficulty, where you will get a total of 60 items under the bottom right corner of the table. Step 5. To know how many items will be distributed under each level of difficulty for each lesson, simply follow this formula. Number of items for easy for lesson 1 equals total number of items for the level of difficulty times percent of hours. Then repeat the same for all the levels of difficulties for all the lessons tackled for the quarter. Step 5. Add all the number of items according to level of difficulty in each row. Step 6. Assign numbers based on the suggested quantity of items for each row and column, according to our calculations. And there you have it. You're done with your table of specifications. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye!